Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use travel mode on Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. You have to go to Menu. Under Menu, you can see options like Edit Profile, Search Filters, Settings, Help Center, etc. You have to go to Edit Profile. And once you go to Edit Profile, you can see options like Video, Voice Intro, Profile Features, etc. Right below that, there's Location option. Under Location, you can see Current Location, Travel Mode and Grew Up In. Well, you have to select Travel Mode. Once you do that, you can see there's a search bar. Users have to search the country and tap on Confirm. Well, you should have to upgrade to Gold to enable the travel mode on Muzz. And guys, that's it. Users have to subscribe and pay for it. Then you'll be able to use travel mode on Muzz. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.